First, as Yanuel said, I was introduced by Allah Arvind Garu. Again, to share stage with him is very, very a special moment for me. Everything started here with Arvind Garu. So it is wonderful to have him again with us on stage. And special thanks to Kiran Garu and everybody, the whole team for making time here. And my special thanks to the whole media. From day one, you have been a very big support for my career and whatever business and whatever is happening here in Andhra Pradesh. I cannot forget and I cannot start my speech without thanking you, the whole press, the media, the internet world, photographers, each and every one of you. It's so humbling whenever I come to Hyderabad. I get a lot of feedbacks from you people even before I get from the audience. It's so nice of you to immediately shake hands and tell me the feedbacks about the film and about whatever's happening here. You have been always with me, always shoulder to shoulder. It's like a brotherly relationship I see with the press here. So my special thanks for all the support you've been giving me for all my projects, whatever venture, whatever I try. I truly understand every film is not, no, it cannot be 100% success. I completely understand my previous films were not hitting the target right. I was not bullseye, no, it was not right there. But all our sincere efforts were there. We did a new concept, we did different scripts, different projects. So the sincere attempt never gets less. Everybody wants to give a success. Everybody wants one film to be a huge hit. So the earlier projects also were planned like that, were inspired by like that, and we all did our best. We all are ready to do our hard work. Arvind Garu was saying about what I did with my physique, with my body for each and every film. Who's not doing, sir? All your family people are example, and lot of heroes in our industry are big example. But what leads us, what gives us the ultimate success is our director's judgment. It's all magic. It's not easy for one person and one team to think what is right, to take the right decision, to think this much is enough. This will be no good. This will satisfy the entire crowd, the entire huge crowd which is watching a film in one theater. It's not easy for one person to take that judgment and that right call. And again, to prove a success for a already a hit film. Like Singham has become a big hit film all over India, as everybody knows, everybody's aware. And to call for the second shot, again to say, yes, we are again coming up with Singham. We are trying to do something even bigger than Singham. You need guts to say that. And Hari sir's conviction made us all work together. It's just, we all just followed his instructions. He knew the big picture. He knew what is coming, and he knew what is going to be very right. And he's proved the success again. So all credits will go to my director, Hari sir. The whole success was in his hands. He's again proved it right. A lot of myth was there in South India that a sequel will not be a hit, and sequel has not been a hit so far. It was a big myth in the trade, at least as far as I know. So that myth is again broken for the first time, I would say. Officially, sequel is becoming bigger and bigger. As I have to thank Global Cinemas. I'm also understanding we had a very big opening here than my previous films. That is really overwhelming and humbling to get a wonderful opening like this in spite of not being a festival date. To get such a big opening shows the complete trust you have in our product, in the technicians and in our promotion. So a sincere thanks for making this a big hit with this such a big opening. I understand a lot of more screens are being added, and for the first time I saw my mother smiling. She never smiles and appreciates my movies, and first time my wife clapped for my film, which has never happened before, and whole my family and friends are very happy about the outcome. And I'm really indebted to Hari sir, my fourth film. My admiration, my respect for him keeps growing more and more. And Andhra Pradesh, what can I say? Even before it was declared a big hit in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, we got the good news from you people. So thank you so much for opening hands and immediately accepting us without no finding faults or saying this is not happening, that is not happening. Immediately we got positive response from everywhere. So that is very special, very, very special about this audience. So I need to mention that. So thanks a lot for this big support and big success. This is just not another hit for me. I needed this hit and it's come in the right time. So thank you so much for everybody who've been working on this, all my distributors here, theater owners here. I'm so happy I can see a smile on your face. And again, my sincere thanks for all the support from the media, from the press, for making this happen and reaching out to the people and making them come to the theater and creating that trust on our product. So it's because of you, Singham Yamuna 2 is a big, big success. I'm very happy and thank you so much.